Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your Earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then don't close the lid. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds to perform a factory reset until this LED light flashed white twice. Firstly, trying to enter pink mode, we keep holding it. Here we go, we just had it. Now we need to remove these earbuds from the phone and then add it again. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and right here you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that. And now we can see it at the device list, so you just tap on it. Sorry, I tap on another device. Yeah, you just tap on it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!